I put on lipstick on my teeth because I'm aware they're crooked, but can't have lipstick on them too. Welcome back, you guys. My name is Asia, like the continent, and today I am going to give you some food pairings that go great with sparkling wine. Now, what is sparkling wine? Sparkling wine is wine that has been carbonated. That's the gist of it. I have an entirely different video that talks a little bit more about sparkling wine. You can check that out. A lot of times people think sparkling wine or champagne is reserved for a special occasion, but you don't have to have a particular reason to decide to consume sparkling wine, which is why I am just giving you some basic food pairings because you can have it on a casual Thursday if you want to. So I have 4 categories. I have my notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have did 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of A, B, C, because then I'm like, I'm not that bright. First category is cheese. So I have feta, I have ricotta, I have brie, I have mozzarella, I have parmesan. How did I just pronounce parmesan? Why didn't I just say parmesan? Why? Parmesan, like, whoop, parmesan. Wow, how did I pronounce that? Those cheeses work really well with sparkling champagne. So this is something to keep in mind, maybe if you're gonna make a charcuterie board and you know that you are preferring to serve sparkling champagne, that's something to keep in mind, right? These are the cheeses that'll go with that wine. Mollusk or shellfish. So that's pretty much clams, oysters, mussels, scallops, lobster, crab, shrimp in the gang, like pretty much everything, not everything, seafood. If it's in a shell, it'll work. Going back to charcuterie board, you have your cured meats, like salami. Bacon is considered a cured, or it is a cured meat, so I guess that's why champagne goes so well with brunch. Because you can have bacon at brunch. Oh my God, wow, when you teach yourself something. Also ham, and I only pronounce, that's a King of the Hill reference. You would have to really be a King of the Hill fan to know why I pronounce ham that way. But yeah, you're having a ham, you can have some sparkling wine. Who would have thunk? Going into vegetables, certain types of vegetables go really well with sparkling wine. So I have my notes here because I don't want to like get too far off topic, but definitely like your rooted. I think most of them, 3 of them are rooted. No, only 2 of them. No, 3. This is why I have my notes. So we have a couple of rooted vegetables, or vegetables that the part that we eat grows underground. So we have yam, we have carrot, and we have turnip. So those are all underground. And then you have your squashes, your pumpkins, and one of my favorites, Brussels sprouts. And do I have a video on that, or is that a blog post? That's how much I love them. I don't know when I talked about them in the past because I just talked about them. But those are vegetables that taste really great with sparkling wine. So again, these are all things to kind of keep in mind if you are trying to pair it with food that you're cooking yourself, or maybe you're going to a restaurant and you're thinking, you know what, I'm gonna have a sparkling wine instead of whatever, and try to get too crazy with other types of wine, and especially if you're a beginner, because you can get overwhelmed. You look at a wine list and you don't know what's going on. And all that's to say is that if you have any questions about sparkling champagnes or any types of wine and you are out and about, hit me up on Instagram. Hit me a DM, slide into my DMs and say, what the hell should I do? And I will try to help you as best I can. I don't know everything, but I know enough to get by. So that's pretty much it. Those are my sparkling wine pairings. And again, if you have any questions about anything, go ahead and ask me down below in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. Click it right now. It's a button. If you're watching it, it's somewhere. And if you're on your phone, how do you do it? And then you hit it. It's gonna say subscribe. Hit subscribe. There's a bell too. Hit that, because then you'll know every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, go ahead and give it a thumbs down as well. If I'm talking too long, you're probably not watching at this point, but thumbs it down, because all engagement is good engagement for me at this point. And what else I need you to do? Share it with your friends. Bookmark it. No, that's on the Instagram. Again, follow me on Instagram if you aren't following me there too, at asia.alexander. And that's it, and that's all. But thank you so much for watching, especially if you watched to this point, or even if you fast forwarded to this point. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you guys next time, all right? Thanks.